Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this portable handheld fan from Aecooly. So this is their Halo version, and I do want to thank Aecooly for actually gifting this to me. So what's really neat about this is that it's a 3-in-1 fan. You can either you can connect it to a lanyard, or you could actually just have it sit on top of a table, just like that. So because we go camping a lot, this is going to be really useful. It has 5 wind speeds. So to turn it on, you just press this button, and right now it's blowing. You can see that it has 77% battery life left. This is wind speed 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, depending on the type of wind speed that you choose, this can hold up to 22 hours of battery life. So this can last you practically an entire day. It is rechargeable via USB-C, but overall, I'd say that if you're looking for a way to cool down while camping or while outdoors, and the lanyard aspect is really neat just because you won't have to hold it and it can just hang on your neck. This is going to be a really neat way to actually go ahead and stay cool. With that smart LED digital display, it's also going to let you know how much battery is left. It's super lightweight, but definitely check it out. I can't wait to try more of their products.